Tablets are making a comeback in a big way in 2026, and one of the most talked about device right now is the Redmi Pad 2 Pro. This tablet enters the Indian market in early January 2026 and immediately grabbed attention thanks to a few standout features. Starting with the Redmi Pad 2 Pro supports a 12.1-inch 2.5K display with a 120Hz of refresh rate, making everything from movies to gaming and web browsing look smooth and vibrant. With the support of over 1 billion colors, everything in the visual side is sharp and full of life. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 chipset is the brain of this device, a moderate mid-range processor that offers smooth performance in everyday tasks. You can also do multitasking and some gaming to a smaller to greater extent depending on the app. The tablet is paired with up to 8 GB RAM and up to 256 of storage and expandable SD storage up to 2 terabytes. After the processor, one of the biggest talking point with the Pad 2 Pro is its huge 12,000 mAh battery, one of the largest you will see in any tablet at this price. That translates to all day or even multi-day uses wherever you are watching movies, reading or working on the go without constantly worrying about the charging. It also supports 33-watt fast charging and a 27-watt reverse charging so the tablet can help charge other devices if needed. The tablet also has 8 megapixel cameras on both in the front and in the back. But remember, tablet cameras aren't typically used for serious photography. They are perfectly adequate for video calls and casual snaps. The Redmi Pad 2 Pro runs on HyperOS 2 based on the Android 15, which promise smart multitasking features, clean software with minimal bloatware and long-term support, and this time probably a 5 years of software support that is announced. It also supports keyboard and smart pen accessories, but remember that it is a budget tablet and the accessories are not budget friendly at all. In India, the Redmi Pad 2 Pro starts around 25,000 for the base variant, with higher RAM and storage variants going up slightly, and a 5G variant around 28,000. For a tablet with a huge battery, premium display, moderate performance, and productivity features, this price range is very competitive, especially compared to tablets that cost twice as much and offer less overall value.